love you, Lord. Your mercy never fails me. All my days I'll be in your hand. I know you as a father, I know you as a friend, and how I'll live in the goodness of God. And though my life you haven't paid, and though my life you have been so good, with every breath that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God.